Hello everyone, Dub Media here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting. Today I'm very excited to share with you a company that I have been investing since August and have made me some money. I think it's gone up to about 360% now. This is my 1000% gain stock, and there is the possibility for this company is infinite, and I will share with you why. So after a few videos that I've posted on YouTube and you've been following me, you probably have recognized a reoccurring theme in my stock pick, which is disruptive innovation in China. So the reason I picked Qubt is for the same reason. However, this one is a little special because of a political entanglement, which makes this company a little bit more special. On top of that, I believe that quantum computing is the holy grail of disruptive science. Let me explain. Quantum computing is the use of quantum mechanics to create quantum computers with nearly unlimited compute power. Because normal computers encode information in bits that takes the value of 1 or 0. However, quantum computers is expected to reduce power consumptions from 100 to 1,000 times. This speeds up the learning process for AI and reducing years of learning to mere seconds. So in layman's terms, it will make everything more efficient. This is a huge game changer. And quantum computing will disrupt nearly every industry in the world, ranging from finance to biotechnology to cybersecurity and everything else in between. It will transform, for example, the way medicine is developed by simulating molecular processes. It will reduce energy loss in batteries through optimization, allowing for hyper-efficient electric car batteries. And I know this is music to my ear because I'm a Tesla investor. Also NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, Fisker, Hylian. So these electric vehicles companies are going to embrace quantum computing. So of the popular quantum computing companies like Google, IBM, Alibaba, Baidu, Intel, Microsoft, I selected Qubt because it is not yet an established company. And also because the company focuses on quantum computing and AI software developmental activities. A riskier selection, but the gains will be explosive. At least that was what I was thinking when I shared with my dad last August that I'd found something that I think will be my next moneymaker. At that time, the company was jumping between $3 to $4. There was a time when it jumped down to $2.5. And the company flirted with delisting at a 52-week low of 47 cents. So quite honestly, I was nervous as heck when I was investing in this company at the time. But because it's consistent with my strategy, I went ahead and bought it. And why is it exploding now, you ask? The reason is because in early November, in fact, November 10 this year to be exact, Congress voted to spend $10 billion on AI and quantum computing. Now, this is historic because we previously spent $1 billion or less compared to China's consistent $10 billion investment. Why? Chinese President Xi Jinping believed that quantum lead may determine the future of international politics. And now that we've ante up to match with their investments, I think that is communicating that to the world that it's game on. And also because some say that China is the country to beat now when it comes to quantum computing. They were initially behind, but just recently achieved some notable breakthrough, like the quantum science satellite and the quantum network connecting Beijing to Shanghai. China also houses the world's largest quantum laboratory. So as you see, as these two heavyweights wrestles for the quantum lead position, it's going to create a quantum computing arms race, so to speak. And so this could go on for a while. So in this sort of conflict or race, I'm going to invest, kick back, and count the gains. And that, my friend, is how you capitalize on conflict. For tomorrow, my game plan is I'm going to add to the position. I think that anything below $20 is fair. And if you plan to invest, make sure you do your research. Consult a professional if you feel it's necessary. I hope you find the information helpful. If you like the content, again, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Gives me the motivation to produce more content that's similar to this. All right, until next time, take care. Bye.